This might be over your head, but eventually this will make sense. These are going to be alpha generation ideas. Alpha meaning make money, meaning, hey, this is going to beat the market. It's alpha on top of the market. So if you could put your money away for 10% in the S&P, alpha's on top of that. Anyways, these are a bunch of strategies, things to look for, and just get out a notepad right here, because I'm going to rail these off and this might be too advanced. But anyways, when you're backtesting, look at expectancy. Make sure that it's over 0.2 expectancy. Here's a interesting idea, the gap and go model for crypto. Now with stocks gap. Crypto doesn't gap. You can actually remove time and only trade specific times. What if you only traded 9 to 5 in crypto? What if you built an AI that could backtest for you, research and backtest for you at all times? Well, actually PineScript is TradingView's language. If you go to TradingView here, you can have every single one of their strategies as well. If you go to indicators here, let's see, indicators, you can see these strategies. You can actually open up their code and get all of their code. So any indicator on TradingView, dude, look at this. I can just go here and then I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll say, hey, please convert this indicator from PineScript to Python. Python is the trading language you use, and you can literally have every single indicator from TradingView converted into Python for you. That's nuts. Look into the stochastic RSI, the money flow indicators, mean reversion, exhaustion gap strategies, pairs trading, liquidation hunting strategies, Bollinger Bands, the turtle trading strategies, the 200 moving day average, seasonality. Look into seasonality, timinality. I know that's different. What happens when there's 4 down days? What about just trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? What about buy and hold with different risk allocations? There's a bajillion trend following ideas. What about the adjusted trend? How about a carry trade? What about VIX strategies, volatility index strategies? Again, just write these down. They might not make sense now. Genetic algorithms, grammatical evolution. These are algorithms that can create other algorithms. What about liquidation trading strategies or open interest trading strategies? Cross-sectional momentum. Have you tested that? Have you actually tested the sell in May and go away thing? I've tested that. These are things that you can do. You can take any idea that you or your friends have and backtest them. You can see I just had AI code out the whole QQE for me. And that's insane, because there are probably tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of indicators. What about some triple EMAs or Bollinger Band breakouts? I have a list of these ideas. I promise I'll let you leave with this list. What about being a market maker? Have you looked into Rob the Quant from back in the day? Dude, there's so many opportunities here. Somebody came in and told us about the real relative strength, which is one of Jim Simon's favorite. You could trade different market regimes. That's what Jim Simons did. Jim Simon's here. If you don't have a goat to follow, this is my goat. 31 billion. He ran it up to 31 billion, all from automated trading. Absolutely insane. Have you looked into the Elliott waves yet? I know a lot of people are trying to, but have they automated? Volume oscillators, Shike and money flow. These are just ideas I have on my list that I haven't even attacked yet. Some of I have. Keltner channel breakouts, Hammer and Hanging Man. These are just random ideas, and we have unlimited of them. But where do I get these ideas from? Let me give you some. Remember, it starts with research, backtest, and then implement. Research, backtest, implement. Research, backtest, implement. That's the RBI system. That's how you automate your trading. So I was just trying to give you some ideas that you could jot down here, and I'll give you a resource here at the end.